Following the light, it's giving us direction, leading us to light. We'll follow where it leads us, wherever it may be. Whether to a land of promise or through the stormy seas, no matter how far, we're not afraid. His love will light the way. So we will stand up, all together, raise our eyes up to the sky, with faith and love in our hearts, we will embark. We will give what we've been given, live our lives with faith, lift the those around us and help them on their way. We will live a life of meaning and cherish every step. So when we meet our Maker, there's nothing to regret. No matter how far, we're not afraid, 'cause love will light the way. So we will stand